This is the rooftop of JNV Hooghly, and this is the water tank for the use of a student. You can see the paddy field nearby the school. Here was a tree, and some days ago it has fallen, so it has damaged some wall. It will be repaired very soon. So house roof is very neat and clean. This is one of the wall has come here. These are the solar panel. So very good arrangement by the central government. A huge investment. So Navodaya is one of the best institute, and this is, you can see, to fight with the electric thunders, this is. So at the time of installment of this all solar panels, they have used it, I think. Yes, thunder. It will catch most of the electric thunder nearby this roof. This will be taught in class 12th. Yes, in class 12th, electrostatic. You will be taught about this in physics. So very good arrangement of solar panels. Here the students are very intelligent. They got selected through the JNVST test. So this is. And Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya was started in 1986. At the time was when Rajiv Gandhi was the PM, Prime Minister at that time. So this is so very good environment, very healthy. This is the water tank used for the school. So right now I am on a roof. This is the hostel. Senior hostel's roof. So very good arrangement of the water also. This is. I am on the roof of hostel. That is our staff cards nearby the hostel. This you may see. In the middle there is a division here, and the one side and two sides, 40 44 houses are there, senior houses. This is, and sometimes the chairs are broken, so plastic chairs. And these are our cars. My car, that is white, that is my car. So the teachers have made garage here, this one. So very good scene, and a very good environment. Most of the Navodaya schools this is, and because we are the nearby our hostels, so that is the boundary of a school, that is, and that is the staff quarters. So very good arrangement for the education. Just it is the I think Gurukul system of modern time. So now this type of schools should be more in numbers. Just right now 640 schools are being run by the central government for the meritorious student of especially rural background, and especially out of them SC and ST peoples. So that is mess. So actually today we have a target to, yes, this is the outlet of water from the roof. This was all neutrals, for neutralizing, and that is you are observing here the two wires are coming from that in that system. This is, they are highly grounded, they are highly grounded. This is two. So these two for the that I don't know what is the name, I have forgotten, but very good arrangement. And these for the your solar panels. So it's a temple of education, temple of scholars, and the future of India. If you want to change the India society, Indian change means in a right way. So education is one of the best method, and in all the systems of schools run by the governments, in state boards and central boards, nowadays is one of the best. And students of rural background or poor family, when they get more chance to take admission here. That is our academic building. That is a play field. This is, and that is the red you are observing, that is our generator room. So very good Navodaya. And if you are looking, yes, that building that is our mess, where the students and all the girls and boys. This is very good arrangement of solar panels. That is principal quarter nearby the academic. This is principal quarter, and just behind to that, oh yes, that is academic building. That is principal quarter, and that is a water tank. Just nearby them girls hostels are there, and we are here in boys hostels. So this was the senior boys hostels, and in front of me, that is junior boys hostel. So today we have got an world view, bird view of our school. It's a very good tank. This is that's one. That's our junior boys hostels. Very good greenery is there. This is I'm on a roof. This is very neat and clean campus. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So keep watching. Very good arrangement. I don't know what is this instrument. It is counting 3. So I think it is counter how many thunderstroke has happened on this system, I think.